April 19th. They've made a little more progress on the Nova. It does run. Got a new radiator put in it. Carb rebuilt. Brakes all rebuilt. New tires. I reckon he's just going to run it like this year. May have some different plans. Still got to work on the interior. New gas tank in it. Might have to work on the spare just a little. The body work all straightened out over here. You'll see from the first pictures I posted up, this was all dented and caved in. They got it all fixed. So that's the progress so far.